My name is Heman Daswani. I'm a payment specialist at Temenos. And what that means is that I get to engage with clients and prospects, understand what is it that they are looking for, and how our solutions can help them achieve their strategic objectives. The other part of the role also involves working closely with our product organization, taking all the inputs from the market, and help drive the product roadmap within the organization. I think before we even talk about challenges, we must all acknowledge that we are in this golden era for payments innovation. There's a lot of excitement in the industry about AI, open banking, stable coins, blockchain. The problem is that a critical mass of the banks are not able to move as fast and catch up with this innovation because of the legacy technology that they have within their institutions, which is not nimble enough. It's not enabling them to move as fast as the market demands. So I feel like if I were to summarize or answer the question directly, it's the legacy technology that is a biggest problem that a large number of banks are facing in today's world as well. To double click a little bit more, even if we talk about instant payments, that has been going on for a while now. A lot of the banks don't have 24/7 cores even now. Some of them don't have real-time capabilities for performing fraud checks and AML checks on payments. And even if they have these two things, oftentimes they are lacking the data capability to make use of the rich data that comes in these new ISO 20 or 22 payment formats. So summarizing the answer, it's essentially the legacy technology, which is like a baggage that a lot of these institutions are carrying, which is stopping them from moving as fast as they should right now. We are showcasing our money movement and management hub. It is one integrated platform that encompasses payments processing, account management, risk, and treasury capabilities. The reason why we built it this way is because if we look at any payments organization or any payments operations within a fintech or a financial institution, they are essentially directly or indirectly involved in these four key areas. Either they are concerned about payments processing, happening efficiently at scale without exceptions, or they're concerned about managing accounts. They could be customer accounts or managing their internal nostro and settlement accounts. The other key area that they are also concerned about or focused on is managing the liquidity across these nostro accounts so that the payment settlement can happen efficiently and smoothly. And lastly, but not the least, the overarching risk management capabilities, which essentially translates to real-time screening, real-time fraud monitoring from a payments perspective. So we are giving them one integrated platform that helps them modernize all these four key pillars within a payments operation of any financial institution. A couple of things that are already happening in the industry. I briefly mentioned some of those, such as AI, open banking, blockchain, stable coins. A lot happening in the industry already. But generally, what ends up happening when there's a rapid disruption or innovation happening across any vertical within banking, we see that the regulatory regime catches up. They start putting more and more controls, more safety nets around the responsible use of these innovations, so that everyone involved in this ecosystem remains safe and secure. So we are going to see a lot of this happen in the next coming years. Whereas right now we are still amidst a situation where the regulatory regime is not yet so firm on all these innovative topics. We will see that shaping up, and that will determine how frequently or how safely we can use these innovative things in the future.